Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. This is the second week of 2026. Have you updated your strategic business plans yet? This week's featured course is Bookkeeping and Accounting. This course helps you to set up solid bookkeeping and accounting practices so you can track your finances clearly, manage your business more effectively, and steer clear of common pitfalls. Our expert of the week is Ravi Iyer, CEO of IR Focal Point. Click the link below to check out his top 3 tips for small business success. Brittany Payton, co-founder of Alo Day Spa, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to discover more about her and her business. Are you hindering your success because you're worried about fitting in? If so, you'll want to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Moza-Bella Tram about achieving your dreams by being true to yourself. Last week, I spoke with Gene Bohensky about going from startup to scaling in 2 years. Check out the video highlights below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with KJ Blattenbauer on being pitch-worthy and leveraging PR without breaking the bank. Additional events this week. Take advantage of discounts on Small Business Pro University merch, available tomorrow through Sunday. And on Wednesday, the New York City Department of Small Business Services hosts the New York City Contracting Summit at Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.